Stewart Connector, a Bell Group, simplifies field terminations with a line of punch-down plugs that do not require termination tooling. Serving a wide range of applications, these plugs can be disassembled for quick rework leveraging an easy-to-use preload wire manager. The standard RJ45 punch-down plugs are available in shielded and unshielded configurations, with performance options that include Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat 8.1. The new Cat 8.1 punch-down plugs offer high transmission speeds and provide a cost-saving alternative to fiber optic solutions, making them ideal for data center upgrades. When field terminations require flexibility to top, bottom, or side cable entry, rely on the multi-axis punch-down plugs available in Cat6 and Cat6a performance speeds. The RJ45 punch-down plug line from Stewart Connector offers versatile and reliable solutions for medical and PoE applications as well as industrial equipment connections. Learn more at bellfuse.com.